Hello friends, what's up? Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occurs in the Steeler XLM in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. What's the price changes, what's the high price of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour, 2 hour, I'm show you in this video. So before starting this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. If you listen my voice, please hit the subscribe button and complete my 3k subscriber. My wish to hit 3k subscriber, so please help me. Now let's see what's the changes occurs in the Steeler XLM in the previous last 1 hour. Let's see. As you can see now on the graph, that is the live price changes occurs and the last 1 hour you're watching now. First of all, we look the graph of the Steeler XLM of the previous last 1 hour. The graph tells us that the Steeler XLM falls down in the last 1 hour period, as you can see here. Now that is the live price changes occurs in the Steeler XLM. So if the graph falls down, so it's clear that the changes also in negative and the price also falls down. Now as you can see here, the changes is a negative 0.28% occurs in the Steeler XLM in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour is $0.407901 is the high price of Steeler XLM in the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see what's the price changes occurs in the last 2 hour of the Steeler XLM in the crypto markets. Let's see the 2 hour result of Steeler XLM. If you don't subscribe my channel, please click the subscribe button right now and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel, because I update you every hour. Let's see if you see the chart analysis of Steeler XLM of the previous last 2 hours. So it is clear that they falls down hour by hour, as you can see on the graph. The changes is also in negative because the graph falls down, because the price of Steeler XLM falls down in the previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour is already falls down. So the changes is in negative 0.28% change occur in the Steeler XLM in the previous last 2 hour. The high price of Steeler XLM in the previous last 2 hour is about $0.407901 is the high price of Steeler XLM in the previous 2 hour. Now let's see what's the changes occur in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. As you can see here, the whole result tell us that Steeler XLM is in the fall. I am not saying about the Steeler XLM what's going in the future of Steeler XLM, but my suggestion as about the Steeler XLM, they are falling down every hour by hour. So my suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss. What's your suggestion about Steeler XLM? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel and stay connected with us. Thank you so much for watching this video.